Hello from Woodinville Wine Blog. My name is Carrie and I'm here with Katie at Patterson Cellars in the Hollywood district. We just got treated to a splash of the new Albarino, which Patterson Cellars is making this year for the first time. And it's wine club only, so I'm very privileged to be able to taste it because I'm not yet a member of their wine club. They only made 80 cases and they're down to 8, so no sales pressure, but this is your chance to get a Patterson Cellars Albarino. The grapes are from Ciel de Cheval Vineyard. I'm very excited. Albarino is actually my favorite varietal to drink in spring and summer. I can't say I crack it out in the winter. Anyway, I thought I'd let you know we're sitting here having a glass pour of the 2020 Rosé. There's two. I chose the Rosé of Cabernet Franc, and I don't know if you can see this awesome color. Try not to get innocent people in the background in this picture. Katie had the 2019 Melange, which I think is Viognier and I forget. So it's a beautiful day here in Woodinville. It's sunny. We're tempted to go get an avocado salad at VV Pizzeria. Thanks for watching, and follow Woodinville Wine Blog on all the social media channels except for TikTok if you like to see more of our wine videos. Bye!